Want to take your presentation to the next level? Today, we are going to explore a powerful and laser-no feature in Microsoft PowerPoint, Slide Zoom. This trick can make your presentation interactive, modern, and super engaging. Let's jump right into it. I have already created 4 sample slides, each with a different topic. Click the I button above to watch how I made this slide. Now, click just above the first slide and insert a new blank slide. This will be your main menu or dashboard slide. Now, right-click on the slide background and go to Format Background. Select Gradient Fill and choose a smooth gradient like this. Add a text box and type your title, something like Explore Topics or Start Here. On the blank slide, go to the Insert tab, click on Zoom and choose Slide Zoom. Now, select slide 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then click Insert. This slide will now appear as clickable thumbnails. Adjust the thumbnails however you like. You can place them in a grid or scatter them creatively. Now, click on each Zoom thumbnail, go to Zoom tab and check Return to Zoom. This lets viewer jump back to the menu after viewing a slide. Click on Slideshow and try it out. Now, you can click any thumbnail and jump to that slide. After finishing, it will bring you right back to the main menu. This is how you create an interactive menu-style slide using Slide Zoom in PowerPoint. It's perfect for portfolios, business report, and modern presentation. If you want the editable file, it's linked in the description. Like the video, leave a comment if you have question, and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tutorials.